In this quick video, I will be showing you how to activate and use double XP tokens in Call of Duty Vanguard. Start by heading to the lobby menu. At the bottom, you will see XP token available. You should also see which button you need to press in order to open the token wallet. The default button on controller is L3 or LS, which requires you to click down the left joystick. On PC, you can click on it with your cursor or press either T or 3. Select the double XP token you want to use and activate it. Keep in mind that the double XP timer starts counting down the moment you activate the token. The XP is based on real time, not in-game time, meaning if you close the game or go AFK, the double XP time will still be decreasing. Your double XP will now be activated in Call of Duty Vanguard.